Hello students, welcome to KG classes. So let's start our today's topic, which is properties of operation on rational numbers. So first property is closure property. Rational numbers are closed under the operation of addition, subtraction and multiplication, but not closed under division. Closure property, we know that if we add, subtract and multiply two rational numbers, then we will get a rational number itself. Clear? It is called closure property. Here is example: if we add two rational numbers, we will get a rational number itself, and if we subtracted them, then also we will get a rational number. If we multiplied both, then we will get a rational number also. But in division it is not applicable. We can see that there, if we divide a rational number by 0, it is not defined. So rational numbers are not closed under division. Rational numbers closed होते हैं addition, subtraction and multiplication में, but it is not closed under division. So I'll explain you here. If we have a rational number 2/5, if we divided it by 0, then what will we get? Infinity, and infinity is not defined. Correct? So it is clear that closure property is closed under addition, multiplication and subtraction, but not in division. So next property is commutative property. Addition and multiplication are commutative for rational numbers. क्या करेंगे? If we have two rational number 2/5, 4/5, if we will add them, what will we get? 6/5. If I'll change their order, then what will we get? 4 plus 2, again this. So this is equal. It can see here commutative property is applicable in addition. Now let's see in multiplication. If we have two numbers, 4/5 minus 2/3, let's multiply them. 4 2s are 8 minus 8, 5 3s are 15. If we will change their order, then what will we get? Minus 2/3 into 4/5. Let's see. We will get minus 8/15, and here is also same. So addition and multiplication are commutative for rational numbers. It is proved here. And subtraction and division are not commutative for rational number. Let's see how. Let's take two rational numbers and subtract them. 2 minus 1, we will get 1/5. Correct? If we will change their order, 1/5 minus 2/5, what will we get? Minus 1/5. So it is not equal. So subtraction is not applicable in rational number for commutative property. Let's take division. 2/5 divided by 6/5. We will get 1/3. If I change the order, then what will we get? Divide it. What do we get? Here 3. Here we get 1/3 and here we get 3, which is not equal. So subtraction and division are not commutative for rational numbers. It is proved here. Our next property is associative property. Addition and multiplication are associative for rational numbers. Integers, whole number और natural numbers के लिए हमने पहले से पढ़ा हुआ है. So let's see how. Let's take three rational numbers, this one, this and this. So we apply on left hand side. What will we get? This. And let's solve right hand side. 2 3s are 6. Here we will have now 7 minus 6. How much will we get? Minus 1 upon 14 plus minus 4 upon 3. 14 3s are 42. So here we have 3 plus minus 14 4s are 56. Minus minus plus. How much we will get? 56 plus 3. 59 by 2. Sign जो नंबर ग्रेटर होगा. 56 is greater, then we will have negative 59 by 42. And here we can see that this is equal to this. So addition are associative for rational numbers. Similarly, multiplication are also associative for rational number. So subtraction and division are not associative for rational numbers. So let's prove it. We have 3 rational numbers, minus 2 by 3, minus 4 by 5 and 1 by 5. Let's solve them. We have to subtract them. This is our left hand side. Solve it. What will we get? Here 15 minus 10 means 5 by 15 means 1 by 3. Clear? So right hand side is here. We have this minus minus plus 4 by 5. Let's take LCM of them. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 3 4s are 12. Here minus 1 by 5 plus minus minus, so we will get 2 by 15 minus 1 by 5. Let's take the LCM again. 15. Here we have 2, 5 3 ones are, we will get minus 1 by 15. So these are not equal. Hence proved subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Similarly, division are also not associative for rational numbers. Not use of commutative and associative properties make the calculation easier in many situations. Commutative और associative property हमारी calculation को easy बनाने के लिए काम आती है बहुत सारी situations में. So next property is additive identity for rational numbers. When we add 0 to a rational number, we get the rational number itself. So 0 is additive identity. If we have a rational number 2 by 5, we will add 0 in it. What will we get? 2 by 5 itself. So it is a rational number. And if we add 2 by 5 and 0, then also we will get 2 by 5 itself. It is also a rational number. So this property says 0 is additive identity for rational numbers. Next property is additive inverse of rational number. Negative or additive inverse of a rational number is a rational number which added to it gives 0. So if we have 2 by 5, if we will add minus 2 by 5 in it, we will get 0. So in this situation, 2 by 5 is additive inverse of minus 2 by 5, and minus 2 by 5 is additive inverse of 2 by 5. So it is clear. Next property is multiplicative identity. For any rational number p upon q, we have p upon q multiplied by 1 is equals to a rational number itself. So let's take an example. If we have a rational number minus 3 by 4, if we multiplied it by 1, what will we get? Minus 3 by 4 itself. If we multiplied minus 3 by 4 by 1, then also we will get minus 3 by 4 itself. In both situations, we will get a rational number itself. So this is called multiplicative identity. It is clear. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. It is a rational number which when multiplies with it gives 1. Like we have 2 by 5. If we multiplied it by 5 by 2, what will we get? 1. If we have minus 2 by 3, we will multiply it by 3 by minus 2. In both situations, we will get end result 1. So this is called reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. It is a rational number which when multiplies with it gives 1. So 2 by 5 is multiplicative inverse of 5 by 2, and 5 by 2 is multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5. Similarly in this case. Now next property is distributive property of multiplicative over addition. Multiplication is also distributed over subtraction for rational number. ये addition और subtraction both के लिए applicable होगी. So let's take an example. If we have this situation, we will get this. So let's take three rational number, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and 6 by 5. Now we will add it. Left hand side, we will solve left hand side first. So this one, 1 by 5 plus 6 by 5, what will we get here? 2 by 5, we have to solve the bracket first. 5, 1 plus 6, 7 here. So what will we get? 7 2s are 14 and 5 5s are 25 here. Now we will solve right hand side of it, which is 2 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 5. Now solve it. 2 1s are 2 and 5 5s are 25. 6 2s are 12 and 5 5s are 25 again. Let's take LCM of them. What will we get after adding them? 14 upon 25. In both situations we get the same result. So distributive property of multiplication over addition is applicable. Similarly, multiplication is also distributed over subtraction for rational numbers. Subtraction के लिए ये property applicable होगी. अगर यहाँ पे इस sign के अलावा subtraction आ जाए, let's do it. If we have 2 by 5 multiplied 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6 by 5. 6 by 5, what will we get? 2 by 5 multiplied 6 minus 5 by 5. So what will we get here? Minus 2 by 5. And in right hand side, let's solve it again. 2 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 and 6 by 5. 2 ones are 2, 5 5s are 25, 6 2s are 12 and 25. What will we get here? 12 minus 2, 10, minus 10 upon 25. We will cut it by 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 15. We will get here minus 2 by 5. So these are also same in result. It is proved that multiplication is also distributive over subtraction for rational numbers. Next property is multiplicative property of 0. Every rational number multiplied with 0 gives 0. For any rational number p upon q, we have this situation. If we multiplied a rational number by 0, we will get 0 in result. This is called multiplicative property of 0. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.